But with the VA loan, you can use seller concessions for not only your closing costs, not only to pay your commission to your seller agent, but you can also use seller concessions for personal debt. A lot of people don't know that with the VA loan, you can use seller concessions to pay some of your personal debt. So that basically means the seller gives you money at closing to put towards debt that you have. Now, of course, the seller has to agree to it. Anything in real estate is basically negotiable, but that option is there. That option is not there from other loans. Definitely want to take that in consideration. Keep that in mind when you're utilizing a VA loan. Now, every case is different, and this goes case by case. So, I mean, if you don't qualify for it, meaning if your situation doesn't align to the point where you can use the concessions for your debt, then it won't work that way. But I want you to know that the option is there. If you don't know, then how are you going to figure out, right? How are you going to make sure you're in the proper position to actually utilize that seller concessions for a personal debt? Or if you don't want to use it for personal debt, you can use it for your commission. So you don't have to actually pay a commission to your realtor. And if you don't want to use it for that, you can use it towards closing costs. And closing costs is typically 1 to 3% of the purchase price, as well as your funding fee. If you didn't know, those are the things you can use your seller concessions for. I've personally helped veterans utilize this benefit to pay some personal debt. So I know for sure that this works. But you won't know this unless you have a trusted VA expert lender and or a trusted VA expert realtor, because this is not common knowledge.